To make these earrings, all you need is pearl drops and a hoop. And this hoop has some loops in it. You can easily get them from a market. They cost for about 30 rupees or something. Now just attach the pearls to the hoop. We'll do this using a plier. Open up the pearl and attach to the hoop. This is how it looks. I will be adding the pearls, leaving one hoop in between. Add the rest of the pearls as well. I make a lot of DIY earring videos, so do check them out if you're interested. That's it, you're done. They hardly take any time and they look so elegant and beautiful. They look adorable in traditional wear like saris and churidars. So do try them out. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching and meet you in my next video.